Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make aloe vera juice. For this, we are going to use homegrown aloe vera. It's not very difficult to grow aloe vera at home, so you can grow them and then make the juice at home yourself. We need to give them a really good wash just to ensure there isn't any dust or dirt attached to it. Once done cleaning, we need to remove the sides and then peel its skin very gently. Once done, separate the gel. Now to make the juice, we need aloe vera gel, pinch of lemon juice, water as needed, and we'll grind this. Now juice is ready. This juice may not taste great, but it has got a lot of health benefits, so you may consider consuming it. Once done, I will pour it in a glass. You can add pinch of black pepper powder as well as pinch of salt just to enhance the taste. And here we have the juice already. It has got a very unique taste. It's slightly bitter and definitely you are not going to like it at the first go, but you can definitely make it a habit to consume this drink considering its health benefits. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.